Welcome back to Kozy English, the cozy way to learn English. Today, I'll share something that completely changed how I speak English. It's how I stopped translating from my native language and started thinking directly in English. When I first started learning, every English word had to pass through my native language filter. I'd think, okay, what's this word in English? Or how do I say this sentence? It made me slow, nervous, and sometimes totally confused. But over time, I found a few simple habits that helped me switch my brain into English mode. Let me tell you how. Stop translating word for word. At the beginning, translation feels helpful, like a little bridge between two worlds. But soon, that bridge becomes a traffic jam. When I tried to speak, my thoughts had to stop in traffic, first in my native language, then in English. Result: slow speech, wrong meanings, and awkward pauses. So, the first step I took was to stop asking, how do I say this in English? Instead, I asked, how would an English speaker say this? That small mindset change made a huge difference. Speak like a child learning to talk. I noticed children don't translate. They just copy, repeat, and play with the language. So I started doing that too. I listened to short phrases in movies and repeated them, not word by word, but as full sounds and expressions. Things like, oh, really? That's awesome. No way. I'm not sure. I repeated them out loud again and again until they felt automatic, like muscle memory for my mouth. That's when I realized thinking in English isn't about knowing more words. It's about feeling the rhythm of the language. Narrate your day in English. My favorite trick? I became my own English commentator. Whenever I was alone, I described what I was doing in English. Like, okay, I'm making coffee. The water's boiling. Oh, I forgot the sugar again. I talked to myself while cooking, cleaning, or walking. At first, it felt weird. But after a few days, my brain started using English automatically. And the best part? I stopped worrying about grammar. I just spoke naturally, the way my thoughts appeared. Simplify, don't freeze. Even native speakers forget words sometimes. When that happened to me, instead of freezing, I just explained it simply. If I forgot exhausted, I said, I'm really tired. If I forgot improve, I said, make better. Simple English is powerful English. The goal isn't to sound perfect, it's to communicate clearly. And once I stopped chasing perfect English, my fluency grew faster than ever. So, if you want to think in English, stop translating, use simple phrases, talk to yourself, repeat real expressions, and keep practicing every single day. Thinking in English isn't magic. It's a habit. Sentence by sentence, thought by thought, it becomes your natural language. I hope you found this cozy story helpful. Tell me in the comments, do you still translate in your head? See you next time here on Kozy English.